Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index is recovering recent losses, briefly trading above 98.7 on Wednesday. Gains, however, may be capped as traders grow uneasy about the Federal Reserve's independence. President Trump announced plans to dismiss Fed Governor Lisa Cook over alleged mortgage fraud, though her lawyers vow legal action. Markets fear her removal could hasten an early rate cut, tightening Trump's grip on monetary policy. Looking ahead, all eyes are on Friday's PCE inflation report, the Fed's preferred gauge, for fresh clues on the policy outlook. On Wednesday, WTI crude traded near 63.6, down more than 2% from the prior session. Investors weighed geopolitical risks and tariff disputes against limited supply fears. The spotlight remains on escalating strikes between Russia and Ukraine, targeting energy infrastructure. Meanwhile, Washington plans to raise tariffs on some Indian goods to 50%, citing New Delhi's oil trade with Moscow. Analysts note Indian refiners intend to maintain most Russian crude purchases, softening supply worries. Gold prices dipped to around $3,374 on Wednesday before rebounding above $3,395 near a two-week high. The metal drew support from its safe haven appeal as concerns over Fed independence intensified. Trump's move to oust Governor Lisa Cook sparked legal challenges, raising fears of political interference at the central bank. Analysts warn her dismissal could accelerate rate cuts, aligning with Trump's push for looser policy. The dollar-yen pair held steady near 147.5 on Wednesday, consolidating in a sideways range. Traders are waiting for key Japanese data later this week, including industrial production, retail sales, and consumer sentiment. Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda recently said a tightening labor market should drive wages higher, paving the way for another rate hike. At its July meeting, the BOJ left rates unchanged but raised inflation forecasts and struck a more optimistic economic tone. The euro traded lower on Wednesday, slipping to test the bottom of its three-week range before stabilizing just above 1.16. Political turmoil in France weighed heavily, overshadowing US dollar weakness tied to Trump's ongoing clash with the Fed. Prime Minister Francois Bayrou's minority government failed to win support in a September confidence vote to approve major spending cuts. The collapse threatens cabinet stability and emboldens Eurosceptic voices, spooking investors.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.